The record ID field is this one. It will give you a unique ID for each record on this table. So if you go here, you can see that I have a record database ID here. There's nothing that I can do here. It's just it's a read-only field. So if I click here, I cannot do anything. But I know that this was the second record created, the third, the fourth, and so on. And some people think this should be in order, or it should change and so on. It doesn't change. It cannot change because you use it on automation. So if I come here to Peter, you'll see here ID equals to 4, and then 4 is Peter here. And this is really useful on adding filters, automations, integrations, and other useful cases and scenarios that you could use this ID in order to represent this specific record. So it's the number 1 record is not here because it was deleted. So if I delete this record, it will just leave 2, 4, 5, and it will actually not have a record number 3 here because I just deleted it. So don't worry if it's not like exactly on the same order, and because this is just a unique ID for this specific table. You cannot change this. It's different than the title field. So the title field also has this sequential ID, name, or random code. This is for you to use to represent your record in other places and so on. This is not the ID that you're going to use on automations because you can change these numbers. This is the ID that you're going to use on integrations and automations because you cannot change it. That's why it's a read-only field. It's pretty simple because it's a sequential number. But in order to retrieve this specific record, it's a combination of the table and the ID.